Hello, today I'm in Ford Edge. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply push the lever once upwards to enable front wipers in slow mode, again to enable in fast mode, and again to enable it in the fastest mode. The first slow mode we've got, we can also adjust by twisting this part of the lever upwards and downwards. It changes the intensity of the front wipers. If you want to use front wipers once, simply pull them once down. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.